Hi everyone! Welcome back to the WP Ultimate CSV Importer tutorial series. Today, we're diving into an important part of any WooCommerce store, product reviews. If you're migrating a store, setting up a demo environment, or simply managing large-scale review data, this video will show you how to bulk import WooCommerce product reviews with ease using the WP Ultimate CSV Importer Pro plugin. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your import file. First, make sure your CSV or Excel or other file is ready. This file should include all the reviews you want to import, things like the linked product's ID, author name, email, review content, rating number, comment date, comment approval status, and the comment parent. Need a sample to get started? You can download a sample file from our documentation to follow along easily. Now, go to your WordPress dashboard. Make sure both the WP Ultimate CSV Importer Pro plugin and WooCommerce are installed and activated. Head over to WP Ultimate CSV Importer Import/Update tab. Click Browse to upload your file. Then from the drop-down, choose WooCommerce Reviews as your file type. Choose Fresh Import to add new reviews or update content if you're modifying existing ones. Click Continue to move on. Step 2. Map your review fields. Now, you'll see the field mapping screen. Here's where you link each column from your CSV or Excel file to the correct WooCommerce review field. You can use drag-and-drop mode or drop-down mode, whichever you're comfortable with. The fields will be automatically mapped if the field's header names are the same. Once done, save the mapping template with a name. Click Continue to proceed. Step 3. Configure import settings. Next is the import configuration section. Here, you can enable Safe Pre-State Rollback to back up data before import. Turn on maintenance mode if needed. Handle duplicate entries using smart detection options. And even schedule the import for a specific time and frequency. Once you're happy with the settings, click Import. Watch the progress bar and wait for the confirmation once the import completes. Step 4. Verify imported reviews. Now let's make sure everything came in correctly. Go to your WordPress sidebar Products Reviews. Here, you'll see all the reviews that were just imported. Check if they're assigned to the right products and display correctly on the front end. And that's it. With WP Ultimate CSV Importer, importing product reviews into WooCommerce is quick, clean, and reliable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress and WooCommerce tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or email us at support@smackcoders.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.